Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted. And today we're going to work in our minis and our water balloon wars. So we're going to start out with the minis. And I've brought $20 in ones, and the way we're playing right now is I roll 2 6-sided die. Whatever number it says, that game gets $2. So we're going to just get started and see how she rolls. Goes pretty fast because it's only 20 bucks. So hopefully we'll finish this one today. That's my goal. It's not looking promising at this particular point in time, but hey. Got a few new ones because we finished some last time. All right, boom, looky there. We've got a brand new one that got nothing. And we'll see how it works. All right, let's see though. So our first one that we are not putting anything into today is our summer savings from Hera's Life and Journey. And I'm going to do $2 for each little fun cocktail. But we didn't get anything in that one today, so maybe next week. Next up, we have our pool party, our flamingo floaties from Kimmy's Corner. And we're doing $2 for each of those. So we've got $1, $2, $3, $4. So we get to cross off 2 flamingo floaties. And then I do have some buyback money here, so if we need it, we can condense our funds. All right, so let's see, what do we have now in our pool party? We now have $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16. Just about halfway. Next up, we have a new one from Plum Budgeting, our little balloon dog or unicorn. And we're doing $1 for each of the squares. So we've got $1, $2, $3, $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next up, we've got this one from Save with Glow and Miscelodia. I'm not going to try. I get it wrong every single time. All right, and this one today got $1, $2, $3, $4. And we're doing $1 each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now in here we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10. Awesome. Only a few more left to go on that one. Next up, we have another one, new one from the Secret Budgeter, our Garfield and Odie here, and we're doing $1 for each of the hearts. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And last but not least, we got one that we didn't actually get enough for. This one is something I created quite a while ago, but we're going to, cheat to win as I do. And we're going to pull an extra $1 from my side savings here and bring that in. So $3 we're going to add and finish off our last pineapple. Not perfect, but it works. All right, so this one saved us $20, $21, $22, $23, $24. So at the very least, we have enough for our gold savings. So we finished one, though. Yay. All right, and I already have the one we're going to add in for next week. This is our back to school from BZ's Things, and we're doing $2 for each of the little icons. So we got those ones all done. Let me go ahead and get my water wars out, and we will get started on that one. Alrighty, friends. Next up, we're going to work in our 1, 2, 3, 4, I declare a water war. I know a lot of people are actually finishing up on this one that I've been seeing, so kudos to everybody who is already done with it, with the collab and all of your awesome savings. I still have quite a ways to go. But In Our Water Wars is brought to us from all these wonderful creators right here. So go ahead and take a screenshot if you don't know everybody yet. And you can always still join the Water Wars. It's a freebie on everyone's coffee account. If you go to their page, you get the playing board, and each person created 2 little playing tokens that we use to decide where we go to next. I just laminated mine and put some paper on the back. I've got $50 that we're going to bring in today. I've got a few 5s and then the rest in 1s. So let's go ahead and see where we're going to get started. Let's go ahead and jump to Mint Dough Co. All right, where is she at? Maribel. Where are you at, Maribel? There she is. All right, and we start over here, and I roll a 4-sided die to see where we're going to go. So we got 2. 1, 2. So $2 for Maribel to start out. And we keep going till we hit a water balloon. 1. Oh, womp womp. We hit some water balloons. So once I fill all 4 corners, I mark it off. We actually marked off our first water balloons last time. So next we're going to jump over to Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Dawn is up here at the front. And we have not done anything on Dawn's yet. This is our first time getting there. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got some flip-flops. Roll dice of your choice. All right. This is Anna. Hee hee. Well, let's just go ahead and roll our D4 since that's what we've got. Well, actually, you know what? No. Let's roll a D6. We want to save the most we can, you know? And we got $6. All right. So where to next after our flip-flops? We got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. $2. I like her page. It's very pretty. Everyone's are, but I do like that. I can just imagine it in her voice, too. All right, and 1 for 1. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got our other set of flip-flops. I am a flip-flop girl. Anybody else that way? I feel like you're either flip-flops or slides, and I'm not a huge fan of slides. I like my flip-flops. All right, we got $3 for that set. Ooh, extra $1 there. So 4 next. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we hit the first little thing of water balloons. So we throw our water balloon. And I'm not going to hit Dawn. Well, yes I am. But I got to remember to mix them up. I don't like it when they're next to each other. So she slipped, fell, hit herself with a water balloon. And we got a 1 for 1. 1 again for 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for 3. Man, we are making some progress on hers. And 1. So we hit our second set of water balloons. So that'll be our last time at Dawn's page for today at least. Next up, we're going to go to Punky Pennies. Back here in the back. So let's see, where are we going first? 3. 1, 2, 3 for $1. 2. 1, 2 for $4. So let's put 1 back and grab a 5. 3. 1, 2. Oh, nope, we already got that one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we hit some water balloons. Hers is a beautiful, colorful page, but then I kind of can't see sometimes when I'm looking for where I've already crossed off. So we threw that water balloon, and we're going to hit crisscross budgets. And Chris is kind of in the middle here with her little piggies. I love it. A 1, and oh no, we hit the water balloons right off the bat. Well, I mean, that's actually good for Chris, because that means she's sticking in longer. All right, next we're going to go to Blue Kiwi Budgets. Where's she at? Maybe up towards the front. Yep, she's very front. Front and center. All right, where we going, Lacey? We've got $1, $2, $5. Nice. It's our last $5 bill today. 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, she said no more fives. Fine, hit me with a water balloon. And she threw one at Sassy Ginger Budgets. We are just jumping back and forth today. All right. And she got a 1, so right in the water balloons. So we hit a pile of water balloons, and we're going to go again, and we're going to jump to Punky Pennies for a second time today. All right, so we left off here. 1. That's a 4. Well, perfect. Grabbed 4 of them. If anybody else is playing on here, I would love to know how you're doing. Are you loving it? I'm so glad that everybody decided to do this again because the snowball fight was so much fun. 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, water balloons. And that is going to call it for Punky Pennies today. Next, we're going to go to Tara at Lifted Up and Living. With her little sea turtles. Let's see where we go. We got 1, 2, 3 for $2. We actually hit quite a few people today, which was fun. And then a 1 for water balloons. Okay, so she throws a water balloon, and she's going to hit Brittany over at Budgeting with a Ginger. And where are we going for Brittany? We got 3. 1, 2, 3. We got Tigger for a D4. We got 1 for Tigger. Okay. Next, we got 3, 1, 2, 3, $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Where to next? We don't have too many left on Brittany's. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no. I mean, yes and no, but Brittany is going to be our first one out. And it says roll a D3, which I don't have. So we'll roll a D4 till we get 3 or under. We got 3. All right, 1, 2, $3. But with her last little fighting breath. All right, so Brittany is out, so let's actually go ahead and see what we got for Brittany. Today, she got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. And grand total, we've got 20, 25, 30, nice. 31, 32, 33, 34, $35. Perfect. All right, Brittany got 35, so let's write that down. So we got $35. And Brittany is our first one gone. Where you at, Brittany? She got 35 and first out. Well, she's kind of first place, just first out. I didn't think we'd get anybody out just yet, but that's pretty cool. All right, so with her last one, she's going to throw one over at Chris at Crisscross Budgets. And we left off right here, so let's see. We got 1, and that is 3, and that worked out perfect because that's exactly what we had was $3. Well, good job, Brittany. You did perfect on that one. All right, well, let's go ahead. Let me grab my buyback money out, and let's see what we can condense and what we filled in today. All right, we will flip up to the front and see what we got. So, Blue Kiwi Budgets got $5, which means that she is now at 10, 11, 12, 13. We had quite a few people today. I think that's probably our most. That is definitely the most cards we have been through so far. Usually we just get a little teeny tiny stack. Dawn, she got a bunch of them. She got on the board in a big way today. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19 to get Dawn started. Nothing for Anna at Anna Banana Budgets. Nothing for Sharla Mae. Brittany, we finished hers. Saving with Tiffany, nothing there. Crisscross Budgets got $3 today, which puts her at $8. Mint Dough Co. got $2, which put her at 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Our Lifted Up and Living, Tara, she got $2. And now she is at 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, $29. Nothing for Save with Glow or Becca Budget 777, Pink Plum Budgets, BrzysBudgets, Sassy Ginger Budgets. We did go to her page, but we didn't get anything there. And last but not least, Punky Pennies. She got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. I don't have any 10s right now. So she has 5, 10, 15, 16, $17. All right. Our 50 bucks went pretty far today. That's probably why we went farther too, because that's the most we've brought in so far. But alrighty, friends, we made some progress today. I'm going to play this one more time this month is my plan, but, you know, all well laid plans don't always come to fruition. But all right, friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.